Today I'll be teaching you how to make ogbono soup. Ogbono soup, one of Nigerian's delicious meal that you're going to fall in love even when you eat it the first time. So join me to the end. Let me teach you how to make this soup. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. Then again, making Nigerian soup requires lots of proteins. I prefer making my soup with the beef. It goes well with all soup. So we'll be seasoning with seasoning cubes, Cameroon peppers and salt. When it's well done, we'll continue making our soup. When our meat is done, we're going to be adding our stockfish, our dried fish, crayfish, local seasoning, seasoning cubes, more, that is the cow skin. When we add all the stuffs and salt, always remember about adding pinch by pinch, especially when you're beginning to cook for the first time, so we don't get to cook salty meals. So when we're done with adding all the stuff, we're going to be adding more water to our pot and we're going to close it up and allow it to boil more. Then we will come back and continue making our soup. Nigerian soups are easy to make, just that you have to go with the ingredients. It requires lots of proteins, okay, and you will get that perfect taste. So let's always go with all this required ingredients that is in the description. So for ogbono soup, we need this ogbono seed, but we're going to be blending it to be very smooth. Okay, you could always blend in the market if you don't know how to blend it. Then we're going to be adding palm oil to this, and we're going to be mixing it very well, mixing it in the oil. We're not going to be adding much oil because we don't want our soup to be oily, so we're going to be careful with adding our oil. When the pot is boiled, we're going to be opening up and we're going to be putting our mixed ogbono inside the pot, but this time we're not going to close the pot back. We are going to be stirring this soup and making sure the ogbono does not stick to the pot. We're going to be continuously stirring this. We'll just cook like 5 minutes to make sure that our ogbono is well done. Okay, make sure that you test everything. Make sure everything is in the right proportion. There's salt to taste. I always like using my seasoning cube to make sure this taste it comes out perfect. Okay, so if everything is perfect, we'll now come and prepare our vegetables. We are going to be using the Uziza leaves. We're going to wash properly, slice, and then put back into this pot and just cook like a minute. Remember while turning, and our soup is so ready to be enjoyed. As simple as that. You can enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. I love my fufu or akpu very well. Thanks for always engaging on my video. May God bless you. Do well to check my channel for other recipes. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.